Hey guys, Tyler here, and today we're going to be fishing the Irondequoit Creek. But before I get to fishing, I wanted to show you guys something cool, something amazing, if you will. Alright, so today I've got my Fluger President, size 20, yep. And, oh geez, on it is 4-pound test, so nothing crazy. And for a lure, I have a, here I'll stand still, so this blade isn't jiggling everywhere. It's a Blue Fox inline spinner, size 0, black and white. And then in my pocket, I have this, another Blue Fox. This one's a Vibrax spinner though. So, I've seen a lot of people using these and having a lot of luck as far as catching trout, because that's what I'm here for. I want to see if I can catch myself some trout. Ah, darn it. Thought I had something, just a rock. Alright, let's move down. I want to give right here a shot, but I don't know if I am a skilled enough angler here to avoid this log. Oh, only one way to find out, huh? Huh. What's this? Oh my. Oh. Just want to check my drag there. Yep, stuck again. Oh, and then he came free. Huh. Well, that's an interesting catch. I caught myself a rock. Alright. I mean, it's something, right? And I can even take it home. I think I should set him free, though. What do you guys think? Be free! Back with your rock family. Alright. Let's find some fish. Alright, we're throwing here. 'Cause why not? This water's just moving so quickly. Oh, got stuck on something. Alright, so I was gonna head further down the creek there, but I see someone's fly fishing. And number one, I'd hate to get in their way. Number two, I would hate to get hooked. I guess they're the same thing, but we'll head back down a little bit and we'll try this same spot that we were at. And I don't know, seeing another fisherman here kind of makes me feel like I might be in the right spot. So, off we go, I guess. Alright, guys. That's it for today. I tried, but I did have fun flying around. What'd you guys think of that? So that was footage from my new DJI Spark. So I didn't get anything crazy. I didn't go over the top because the drones are freaking expensive. But I don't know. I don't know what made me want that. There's just something that told me that I should get this thing just to kind of. Well, you know what? I know why. I bought it because I really enjoyed making the Canisius Inlet video there with the underwater footage. But I know for a fact that underwater footage isn't going to be something that's regular on my channel, just because fish aren't always running like that, you know? I mean, they are in specific parts of the state, but I don't have that much free time that I'm going to be able to head off to all of these different places and, you know, kind of wait around. It's going to have to be, if I were to drive up there, you know, I think there's some carp running. I really wanted to see some carp run, and they'll be running on the, what, I can't remember when they're going to be running, but anyways, the drive is about 6 hours, and that's pretty long, you know? I mean, I'd have to drive 6 hours there, 6 hours back, and I'd only be able to stay there at the longest 2 days, you know, a weekend thing. So anyways, I'm off topic. Back to what I'm talking about, the drone. I bought the drone because I wanted to have something that was just as breathtaking, if you will, as seeing those fish swimming around underwater. So that's it. I've got the drone now. I've got spring supposedly coming any day now. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do plan on putting out again a video next week, and the week after that, and the week after that, and so on and so forth. So subscribe if you'd like to, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and look forward to hopefully a fish in the next video, something more than just a rock. But I will say, I'm leaving here saying that I caught something. So, alright guys, take it easy. Whoa, got it. I'm good. Oh my gosh, this stuff is just slick.